Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Hassan and I am going to start a new video series. Obviously, it's going to be my first video in YouTube. Um, I am going to create contents about ASP.NET Core. First video is going to be about the MVC project, and the second one is going to be API projects and a provider and a consumer. About MVC, before video, I choose a template. Where is the template? You can, by the way, you can use the website to download free templates. Yeah, yeah. I choose that one. Live demo. As you see, there's allow information here, and we able to change those informations and save, update, and delete them to database. So I already downloaded. You can click a free download and download the template. All right. Let's create our file. Yeah, it's starting. MVC. Next, I'm going to use .NET 7. Oh, let's call you Tube Plumbing. Yeah, I choose a plumbing company as a content. Yes, next. Create. All right. Um, I, I'm I'm going to use repository design pattern, which is which allows us which allows us really flexible working area. So if we add something extra in the future time, so this design pattern allows us to change something without deleting any information or replacing anything. So we're going to go through with that design pattern. Let's create a new project and add a class library. Next, core layer. This core layer contains our shared entities. For example, all of entities will have an ID, right? So if I create a base entity and which is including an ID property, so I can use that base entity in my all of the other entities. So it's a shared one. So I'm gonna keep that shared entities in the core layer. I don't need the class. Delete it. Add new projects, class library, entity layer. As you understand, this layer is going to keep our entities. Delete. Oh, this Windows sound is really high. Let's make it a little low. Okay. Alright. Add new projects, class library. Next, repository layer. This is the gate which we can access our database. This layer is going to make all CRUD operations. And the last layer is our logic layer, and I called it service layer. Service layer. Great. Okay, let's delete that class. I don't need it. Okay, perfect. Alright, guys. Let's create our folders. Base entity By the way, I create an entity structure for my project. So these are going to be our entities, guys. So it's going to be homepage, about us, service, category, portfolio, testimonial, team, contact us, and social media. As you see, all these rows has same properties. So I'm gonna use a base entities, right? As I told beginning of my video. So each individual entity is going to have their own special properties. Okay, we are we are good. I guess we are good. I guess you understand what's the base entity logic. And is there anything should I share with you before start our project? Okay, it's okay. Let's carry on, create our structure. So entities. Normally, guys, if I do a one project, I write here entities and view models. I keep view models here, entities here. If I'm going to plan just one project, but at the beginning of one project, I told you I'm going to use this project as a base project. So once we finish this project, we're going to start the API. And once we finish the API provider, I'm going to add our consumer in this project. So I have to keep my folders separate. So I can't keep all entities here. I can't keep all vModels here because it's going to be two different projects. So I'm going to add another folder which is named web application, and I'm going to use this folder during this project. If I need to add another project, I am going to add another folder here, different project name, for example, and I can create another entities and vModels um, inside this folder. Okay, let's delete it now. I don't need it now. Okay, let's finish this lesson here, and we're going to continue creating our entities with the next lesson. Okay, take care of yourself, guys. See you later.